Good morning, students. Hope you are fine. Today, in this session, we will start some special problem. Why I am using this word special? No doubt, every problem is special only. But today, whatever the problems I am going to teach you, they are special because you are solving those problems with the help of the physics. You study the formula in physics, speed is equals to distance traveled divided by time taken. And exactly based on that formula, we are going to solve the problem today. These problems looks to be lengthy, but they are very simple. So, I am going to solve the problem, and the students, those who have not understood completely in the first problem itself, don't worry. Today I am going to solve two problems and hope that till the end of the video, when you watch, definitely you will understand these problems. And the problems what we are going to solve today is problems on speed, distance, and time. My dear children, before I discuss this, keep in mind, I have already completed the problems on age, problems on fractions, problems on areas, and also we have completed the problems on the last one what we have completed, the problems on 2 digits. And today we will discuss the problems on speed, distance and time. Let us go for a problem. A boat goes 55 km downstream, and 15 km upstream, in 8 hours. It can also travel 44 km downstream, and 25 km upstream in 9 hours. Find speed of the boat. Find the speed of the boat in still water. And also find the speed of the stream. Many of you might not have understood what is the meaning of this problem, because the word downstream, upstream, stream, they are all new words for you. So let me first explain you what is this downstream, what is this upstream, then you can understand it. During the rainy season, you know that the water will flow in one direction. In the canal and all, the water slowly starts to move. And you might be experiencing, you are just leaving a paper boat on it. And what happens? The paper boat is going along with the water. So when the water boat is going along with the water, that is called as downstream. Means going along with the water. I will take another example. A swimmer swims. He swims in the, or you can say in a river. Now he can swim in 2 different ways. He can go along with the water. Along with the water means the direction of water and direction of the swimmer, both are the same direction. That is called as downstream. Means going along with the water is downstream. But water is flowing in this way, swimmer is going in this way, this is called as upstream. Means against the water stream. Against the water stream. Still you want one more example I will give you. Listen. Suppose you are on the cycle, you are cycling. You are pedaling and you are going on a cycle, bicycle. Okay. Now there is a wind blow. There is a wind blow. If the wind blow and the cycle, if both are in the same direction, you feel very comfortable because there is some air pressure is there from the back side. You can paddle very easy. But on the other hand, if the wind blow is from the opposite side and you are cycling opposite to it, you find it difficult to paddle it because you have to chase that wind. This is called as, when you are going along with the stream, it is called as downstream. When you are coming opposite to it, it is called as upstream. But what makes the difference? Now come to the difference of those two. See, now I am taking an example of again the swimmer. Water is flowing with a speed of 4 km. Water is flowing with a speed of 4 km and swimmer's speed is say 3 km. Swimmer's speed is 3 km. When they are both are in the same direction, both speed will be added. This is called the downstream. And in the upstream, you have to subtract it. How to subtract? That I will start now. I will start the problem now. But keep in mind, downstream, both are in the same direction. Upstream, one is in this direction, one is in this direction. That is called upstream. Okay. How to start the problem? Let speed of the boat x km per hour and let the speed of the stream, what speed? Be y km per hour. Okay. Therefore, speed in downstream. Speed in the downstream. Listen to me, students. This is the speed of the boat. This is the speed of the water. Both are in the same direction. In the downstream, both will be added up. This is x plus y km per hour. Keep in mind, downstream means both has to be added. Then I will write, therefore, speed in upstream. Now you are in confusion. Upstream means one is coming in this way, another is coming in this way. You subtract it. But whether it is x minus y or y minus x, this will be a confusion for you. In the downstream, the question does not arise because both has to be added. Whether x plus y or y plus x, that makes no difference for you. But in the case of upstream, it has to be subtracted. Now you tell me whether I should subtract x minus y or y minus x. You can think yourself. You tell me one thing. This is the speed of the water. This is the speed of the boat. Which should be more? Naturally, boat speed should be more than the water. What happens otherwise? See, this is the water. This is the water flow and this is the boat going. If this is more and this is less, boat will come back. Boat will not go further. So the water speed should be less, boat speed should be more, so that it will chase and go further. So always the boat speed should be more than the speed of the water. So this should be more. So I can say it is x minus y km per hour. These are the 4 sentences you have to write. Very simple. Boat x, stream or water speed y In the downstream, both are in the same direction, so x plus y. In the upstream, both are in the opposite direction, but which should be more? Both should be more compared to water. So the x minus y kilometer per hour. Okay. Now let me start the problem. These are the four fixed problem whenever the problem on upstream and downstream is asked. Okay. A boat goes 55 kilometer downstream. Downstream 55 kilometers. See now, in the physics we have studied a formula. Listen very carefully. Speed is equals to distance traveled by time taken. Speed is equals to distance traveled by time. Now see here students, 55 kilometer. What is this? 55 kilometers is the distance traveled. In the downstream, what is the speed? Downstream speed x plus y. That means speed also known, distance traveled also known. I don't know what is the time taken. I don't know how many of you are understanding. See, here one time is given 8 hours. What is this 8 hours? 8 hours is the combined time. Combined time of what? Downstream and upstream. Together it is taking 8 hours. That means boat is coming from here, reaching here, again coming back. Together it will take 8 hours. But I don't know how much time it has taken for the downstream. How much time it has taken for the upstream? Naturally, downstream will go fast, upstream it will take more time. That I have to find out how much time taken for the downstream and how much time taken for the upstream. But together it is taken 8 hours. So I will change the formula. Time taken is equals to what? Distance traveled divided by speed. I will modify the formula. Time taken is equal to distance traveled by speed. Now I will write first condition. First condition. Come on, start. What is the first condition? A boat goes 55 km downstream. See, 55 is what? It is the distance traveled. I will write here 55 divided by what is the speed? Speed in the downstream. Speed in the downstream is x plus y. 55 divided by x plus y. What is this? What is this? 55 by x plus y is nothing but time taken. This is the time taken in the downstream. But how much it is? I can't say because x and y are the unknowns for me. But I generated a small, what you can say, I have generated time taken is equal to distance traveled by speed. Distance traveled is 55, speed is equal to x plus y. This is the time taken plus. Why this plus? And 15 km upstream. Together it is giving 8 hours. Come, let's come to the upstream now. 15 km upstream. 15 divided by upstream. Upstream x minus y. X minus y. This is also time. This is also time. Together it is 8 hours. Equation number 1. Thus, for all this, the formula is time taken is equals to distance traveled divided by speed. Very simple. Come on, let us go for the second condition. Second condition. Again read it. It can also travel 44 km downstream. My dear children, what is 44? 44 is the distance traveled. 44 divided by 44 km downstream. Downstream speed is x plus y. I want speed in the denominator. So 44 by x plus y. And 25 km upstream plus 25 divided by, in which stream? Upstream. Upstream speed is x minus y. Why I am taking the speed in the denominator? Because I want speed in the denominator. So that I will find the time taken. X minus y is equals to how much? 9 hours. Call it as equation number 2. Now let me solve both the equations. both the equations. Come on. What I can do? 55 divided by x plus y, 15 divided by x minus y is equals to 8. 44 divided by x plus y plus 25 divided by x minus y is equals to 9. I can multiply. Multiply here either by 44 or by 25. Elimination method you know very well. I will multiply this by 44 and I will multiply here by 55, which can be simplified. 11 fours are 11 fives are. Right? Let me multiply. Come on. 55 fours are 220 divided by x plus y plus 15 fours are 60 divided by x minus y is equals to 8 fours are 32. Come on. 44 fives are 220 divided by x plus y plus 25 fives are 125 divided by x minus y. 9 fives are 45. 9 fives are 45. Now, both can be cancelled provided this plus should be minus. Plus should be minus. Plus should be minus. Cancel. 60 by x plus minus y minus 125 means 125 minus 60. How much it is? 65. 65. 65 divided by x minus y is equals to, with a minus sign, sorry, 125 is having is a bigger number, minus sign will come here, is equals to, look at this, 32 minus 45, that means 45 minus 32 gives you 13, which 13? Minus 13. So this will bring to the denominator. Whenever there is a cross multiplication, sign never changes. I will write minus 65 divided by minus 30 is equals to x minus y. Minus gets cancelled, ones are fives are, therefore x minus y is equals to 5. That is my equation number 3. Okay, now come on. What I can do? Substitute value of x minus y in any one of the equation. I can say either equation 1 or equation 2. I can substitute in equation 2. Come on. 44 divided by x plus y plus 25 divided by x minus y. X minus y is nothing but 5 is equals to 9. Ones are 5. So it is 44 divided by x plus y is equals to 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. That will be 44 divided by x plus y is equals to 4. Cross multiply. This will go here, that will come down. Therefore, 44 divided by 4 is equals to x plus y. Therefore, x plus y is equals to 11. Call it as equation number 4. No, the problem is lengthy, but it is not difficult. Simple problem it is. Come on, at last. From 3 and 4. From 3 and 4. Come on, x minus y is equals to 5. X plus y is equals to 11. Minus y plus y gets cancelled. 2x is equals to 16. X is equals to 16 by 2. Answer is equals to 8. You got one of the value. Now at last, substitute value of what? Value of x y is equals to 11. Therefore, y is equals to 11 minus 8, which is equals to 3. What are x and y? X is the speed of the boat. Therefore, speed of boat is equals to how much? It is 8 km per hour, and speed of the stream is equals to 3 km per hour. That is the end of the problem. My dear children, many of the students might not have understood fully. Don't worry. Let me go for one more problem. Okay? And listen carefully. The important thing is instead of writing, you listen first. Try to understand once again. I will teach you the entire problem. A different problem I will take and will explain you. Hope that you will understand better. Okay? Come on, let's go for a problem. A boat goes, say 36 kilometer downstream, and 24 kilometer upstream, in 6 hours. It can also go 48 kilometer downstream and 12 kilometer upstream, 36 downstream, and I can say this one 20 kilometer upstream. Let me take 30 kilometer upstream in 6 hours. It can also go 48 kilometer downstream and 10 kilometer upstream in 5 hours. Find speed of the boat and speed of the stream. Okay? Come on. Let's see. I have given the problem. You understood that this is the problem related to upstream and downstream or speed, distance and time. Before I read the problem, once I understood it is a problem of speed, distance and time, 4 sentences I should write. Then I will start to read the problem. What are the 4 sentences? Let speed of boat be x kilometer per hour. The first sentence. Let speed of the stream means speed of the water, be y kilometer per hour. This is the second sentence. Therefore, speed in downstream is equals to x plus y kilometer per hour. This is the third sentence. Keep in mind, downstream, both are going together. This is the downstream, both should be added. Speed in upstream. See, upstream, subtract. But which minus which? Boat minus water. Keep in mind, boat minus water. Boat is x minus y kilometer per hour. These 4 sentences you are writing. And somewhere in one corner, you should have a formula. What is the formula? I have a formula. What? Speed is equals to distance traveled by time. I will cross multiply. Time taken is equals to distance by speed has to be done. Distance by speed has to be done. That's all. Distance by speed. See, distance is here and speed is here. Again, distance is here, speed is here. Just divide them, that's all. But keep in mind, downstream distance, downstream speed. Upstream distance, upstream speed. That has to be divided properly. Don't interchange it. See, 36 downstream. 36 divided by x plus y. Simple. 30 upstream, 30 divided by x minus 1. Finished. Let me start. First condition. First condition. Come on, come on. Ha. 36 kilometer downstream. 36 divided by x plus y. 36 divided by x plus y. Again, some students will be having the doubt, why it is 36 divided by x plus y? See here, 36 is the distance, speed is x plus y. If you divide, you are getting the time taken. To get the time taken, I should divide them plus 30 km upstream. 30 is the distance divided by upstream speed is x minus y. Both together, this is also one time, this is also a time, together it takes 6 hours. 6 hours is the combined time, right? Equals to 6, equation number 1. It's very simple. Just by seeing the problem we can see. Listen to me. 20, so one different example. Say 40 km downstream, I will write 40 divided by x plus y. 32 km upstream, 32 divided by x minus y. Downstream is x plus y, upstream is x minus y. Together, what is the combined time? Is equal to, I will write there. Combined it will take 6 hours. I will write is equal to 6. First equation over. Coming to the second condition. Hope that you are understanding. What is it? 48 km downstream. Very simple. 48 divided by x plus y. That's all. 48 divided by x plus y. And 10 km upstream. 10 upstream. 10 upstream. 10 divided by x minus y. 10 divided by x minus y. Together it takes 5 hours. Together it takes 5 hours. Equation 1. Equals to 5. Why? Why? Many of you might have understood why it is equals to 5. Those who have not understood, I will tell them. This division gives you time. This division gives you time. This is the time for the downstream. This is the time for the upstream. Together it takes 5 hours. Come on. I got the 2 equations. Now, let me solve those 2 equations. What are the equations? 36 by x plus 1 plus 30 by x minus y is equals to 6. Second equation. 48 by x plus y plus 10 by x minus y is equals to 5. Equation 1, equation 2. I will multiply by 10. I will multiply by 30. They are getting cancelled. 1s are, 3s are. I will write the new equation. 36 by x plus y plus 30 by x minus y is equal to 6. If 3 I have to multiply, 48 3s are 144. 144 divided by x plus y, am I right? 120, 24, 144 plus 30 divided by x minus y is equals to 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Come on. Sign has to be changed. Sign has to be changed. This becomes minus. This becomes minus. This becomes minus. Cancel. 36 gives you 108. 108. Am I right? 108, 30, 136, 140, 144. Minus divided by x plus y is equals to 6 minus 15. 15 minus 6 gives you minus 9. Minus 9. Come on. I will continue here. Cross multiply. Minus 108 divided by minus 9 is equals to x plus y. My dear children, I am repeatedly telling you, during cross multiplication, sign never changes. Sign never changes. So, minus 9 as it is goes to the denominator. Okay, minus 6 cancel. 1's up and it is 12's up. So, I got an equation. Therefore, x plus y is equals to 12. Call it as equation number 3. Equation number 3. Now what? Substitute value of x plus y in equation number either 3. Value of x plus y in equation 1 or in equation 2. I can substitute in equation 1. I can substitute. Come on. 36 by x plus y. X plus y means what? 12. 30 divided by x minus y is equals to 6. 1's are, 3's are. This will goes to the RHS. 30 divided by x minus y is equals to 6 minus 3. 30 divided by x minus y is equal to 3. 3 will come to the denominator. I got 30 by 3 is equals to x minus y. Therefore, x minus y is equals to 10. Call it equation number 4. Now, I have to solve equation 3 and 4. From equation 3 and equation 4, what I got? X plus y is equals to 12. X minus y is equals to 10. Plus y minus y are getting cancelled. 2x is equals to how much? 22. Therefore, x is equals to 22 by 2. Answer is 11. Anywhere any mistake? 108. It is x minus y is equals to 10. Okay, let me see. Then substitute value of x in any one of the equation. I can say equation number 3 I will substitute in equation 3. What is it? Equation 3 says x plus y is equals to 12. X means 11. 11 plus 1 is equals to 11 plus y is equals to 12. Therefore, y is equals to 12 minus 11. Answer is 1. Ultimately, my final answer is like this now. Therefore, what I can write? Therefore, speed of the boat is equals to 11 kilometers per hour, and speed of